Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share. If you are returning subscribers, I welcome you back. Thank you for watching the video. Please share and comment. It is very important to grow the channel. Yes guys, I want to share with us a news about what happened yesterday. A lot of us have seen that Biafra government in exile have launched their office. It's now open. The inauguration was yesterday. It was very awesome, very awesome. This is what I want to relate with us because some of us may not remember how the whole thing started. If you can recall, a few months back, when a lot of people or a group of people decided to take it upon themselves to, bring Simon Ekpa down because of this government in exile, because of the head office in US. When somebody released the address, many of them decided to, use it against Simon Ekpa to blackmail him, to destroy him for their own selfish agenda, not for the Biafrans. It's because most of us don't realize that those people that are after Simon Ekpa, fighting him now and then, using every means necessary to, blackmail him, they are not doing it for your own good. They are not doing it because they love Biafran, or maybe they want to protect one or two things in Biafra, or they truly believe that Simon Ekpa is getting it wrong. They want to put things right. Not at all. The agenda is totally different from what they paint in the public. They are doing all those things because some of them are very jealous of where Simon Ekpa is today in the in Biafran freedom, where he is and the position he occupies and everything. Some of them says that they have joined the IPOB family since 2013, 2015 thereabout. Why Simon Ekpa was nowhere to be found, that he joined during the COVID period and all that. Therefore, to them, it is their birthright to pilot the affairs of IPOB, not Simon Ekpa, because they are in the organization before Simon Ekpa came in. If you remember, when Nnamdi Kanu recommended Simon Ekpa, when he said that he's bringing a new dimension, that he's getting it right and all that, some of them were not happy with Nnamdi Kanu. They were very angry, but they cannot come out publicly to say that. Then they went on the ground, like they said they are now, to get rid of Mas Nnamdi Kanu. But as God may have it, they couldn't succeed, and they have tried that, and first, now they see where they are. They have seen the result, and the result is not what is pleasing to them now, because they are running head-to-skelter, trying to destroy everything. Like one of them said, the one in South Africa mentioned that he said of Simon Ekpa to pilot the affairs of IPOB or to lead the Biafran struggle, and that he rather scatter everything, of which he is doing now, because they are now working with governors and government of Nigeria to make things happen in favor of government. Imagine when you are criticizing a government, when you are fighting for your freedom, when you are very angry with the government of Nigeria, and all of a sudden you are now 5 and 6 with them. You are now kind of a messenger to them. You are now leaking information, selling your brothers, selling everything just for you to get back, for you to pay back, as they call it, to for whoever they believe that must have hurt them. And the truth is that they are doing it out of their selfishness. It's not for the betterment of anybody or anything at all in Biafran struggle. Like I was saying, when Simon Ekpa mentioned the Biafra government in exile, when he released the address in Maryland, USA, some of them jumped out, including the pastor. I believe all of us know who I'm talking about. Yes, you can see his picture here. He was the one gathering people to visit the location, to check the address, that he is now an investigator, that he wants to make sure that he destroys Simon Ekpa, that Simon Ekpa is using this to escort money from people, that he cannot see this kind of things happen, that he's fighting for the betterment of Biafrans and Igbo people, He said a lot of things. He said a lot of things, and he ended it up by digging his nose, trying to dig out something, which some people say that, oh, this is not your group logo, because you said you are accountability, so you are not digging out information, and you cannot wait to dig out any evil about Simon Ekpa. But since couldn't get anything out, you are now digging your nose. It's quite funny, but when you look at the whole thing and how he narrated his agenda and his expectations, you will find out that he is not helping himself at all. I wonder why they choose to follow that kind of life, that kind of pattern, because I believe after what happened yesterday, most of them may have, not they may, they had sleepless night. They had sleepless night because it is not easy to be a saboteur. That's what people don't know. Some people think that it is very easy. To be a saboteur is a very huge job. Very, very huge job. Imagine when you come out in public and say something on video and people have that clip after saying those nonsense and they turn out to be fake. And in that video, your agenda is to, give accountable of what is going on and to make sure that you are doing things the way you believe that is right, and you want to prove people that this person is wrong and you are doing it right. At end, you are the one getting it wrong, and after that, you want people to take you serious. So I believe all of them that were in Maryland, in that building, the African government in exile head office, I believe they are very, very ashamed of themselves by now. Seeing the video that came out yesterday from US, where Ekpa Jogo, Madam Sh0ck, and all the cabinet of the African government in exile, they were there. They were there live. This is not a fake video or any Photoshop images or something like that. It was live. That, oh my goodness, it was very, very awesome. Very, very awesome. So do you think now they are relaxing, or maybe do you think they are finding it funny after all they have said, after all they have done, the accountability group? They rubbish themselves to the extent that even their own so-called enemy in the US was clapping for them, jubilating, singing praises of them. One of them even went ahead to bring down Biafran flag during the time they visited that head office. And all these things happen to be people that of age that should know better than me and you. They are of age. Pastor is more than 60 years. I don't know his actual age, but looking at him, he's no longer a youth. The other man is even way older than the pastor, Pastor Emeka Livingstone. So the other man that went with him was even more older, and he is the one that bring down he's the one that pull up the Biafra flag in the building, believing that he's doing the right thing. They are not helping themselves. I just wonder what they'll be thinking or feeling at this moment after what happened yesterday. What do you think about them? Do you think they have the courage to come out and apologize to their friends? Even if they don't want to apologize to Simon Ekpa, the PM, if they feel they are so superior or important, of which they are not, maybe they are still in delusion, deceiving themselves. Do you think they are man enough to come out now and to apologize for what they have done, for rubbishing the name of those that are doing right things, saying a lot of nonsense about Madam Sh0ck and Simon Ekpa, calling people that were telling them to slow down, think of what you are doing and the implications? They were picking fight on everybody. Now, what do you think they have to do? What do you think they need to say? If they decide to come back and apologize, will you welcome them back? I want to know all those things. If you can just let me know, let's share. Comment on comment section. Tell me what you think about this and what you expect from them to do. Are they ready to turn around? Do you think they will amend their ways? Just let me know on comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment and share. Like the video. See you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.